Well, hello everybody. It's a pleasure for me to be here today. I'm going to present, my name is Nieves Cabello, I'm going to present the new management model of urban green areas of the city of Jerez in Spain. This project was submitted by the Council of Jerez. Now we have here some representatives of the local government, and we are the technical assistant of the Council of Jerez. First of all, I would like to stress the main figures of this project. We have a total budget about 600,000 euro with a European Union contribution of almost 50%. We start just now the project. We are now with the preparatory actions, and the project ends at the end of 2011. This project is under the priority area of urban environment, and in the municipality of Jerez, there is a delegation and a responsible area which is in charge of this project, is the area of environment and sustainability. Well, for those who don't know, the municipality of Jerez is in the south of Spain. This is a very famous city because it's very famous because of the sherry wine. Sure, you know the sherry wine, isn't it? Well, this is a big city. We have about 200,000 inhabitants. This is very important to know also that we have around 3 million square meters of green areas in an extension of 1,000 square kilometers. This means that we have 15 square meters of green areas per inhabitant. This is above the European Union average. This is very important to understand this project because I think that we have a lot of sun hours during the year and a low level of precipitations, which decreases this year. Not this year, this is an important exception because we had a lot of floods in the last 3 weeks. But normally that is a dry region, very dry region. So this implies a high economic cost to maintain its rich diversity of ecosystems which are present in these big extensions of gardens, parks, and green areas. That's why it was very necessary to design and adapt new models to make sustainable economically and environmentally the management of these green areas. With this project, we aim to be a reference at national and international level as an innovative project in the environmental area. We think Jerez can be a pioneer agent in the regeneration of the green heritage, and also it will contribute to reduce the CO2 levels, designing and implementing a new policy for planning, management, and treatment of the urban green areas. We expect the following impacts. We expect a significant improvement of the city green areas using environmentally friendly methods. We expect also a general improvement of the air quality in the city and an overall reduction of the CO2. And we expect also to make people aware, and this is very important, to make people aware on the values of the trees heritage in the city. This project is also very important in Jerez because the Council of Jerez has developed innovative experience, innovative expertise. For example, I would like to mention the experimental xeriscape project. For those who don't know, a xeriscape project, it's a technique that tries to reduce the irrigation water consumption in green areas, selecting the plants more suitable to the climate conditions and the territory. Another innovative expertise of the Council of Jerez is the experimental biological treatment, which have been applied in a small scale, but we are going to apply in a larger scale with this project, with this LIFE project. Well, the experimental biological treatment consists on put insects in the trees and we do that they eat the parasites of the trees. So we eliminate the plagues and the pests of the trees and avoid the use of chemical products. I would like to mention some objectives. I'm going to summarize some of them. Well, we are going to define a new model of intervention in green areas, management based on the innovation and improvement of the habitability of public areas. We are going to integrate green areas management policies within urban planning processes, but we are going to coordinate also with, not only with urban municipal areas, but also with other areas like social services or education. That's very important. We are going to define a procedure that guarantees the effective management of green area in each and every stage foreseen. And we are going to develop, this is one of the central topics of the project, we are going to develop a computer-based tool for urban trees management to simplify the execution of inventory species. But not only the inventory, it's more complex because we are going to try that this IT tool can facilitate the making decisions. We are going to apply innovative methods for pest control of urban trees in the municipality. We are carrying out a number of demonstrative activities for the city, for the population of Jerez, but also to transfer the results in other municipalities. We are going to standardize this management process. We are going to create a new way of work for the technicians and all the people who work in the council with the environmental care. And we are going to develop a model of environmental education involving different collectives and groups of the society. I would like also to stress some innovative elements of this project. One of them, I have told before, is the innovative biological treatment, preventing the pest or plague from spreading, and at the same time we will avoid the chemical products. We are going also to apply new tools for management and preservation of urban trees, trying to help maker decisions about the suitability of plantation, election of species, preservation and conservation according to environmental, economic and urban criteria. We are going also to apply new process for political actions. In this case, we are going to consider new regulation, but we are going also to consider the new way of work with other areas of the municipality, as I said before, urbanism, social services, or education. We are going to involve the citizen in the different phases of the project, and we are going to design and applicate a new model of management of green areas, a new model of work. Well, this is the scheme of the project, preparatory actions, and all of these elements of the different phases of the project with a strong dissemination and communication plan. Thanks a lot.